In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a strange phenomenon has puzzled residents for decades. Known as the Taos hum, or low frequency noise, can be heard by some but not all residents. The source of this mysterious sound remains unknown, with theories ranging from underground gas lines to secret military experiments. Despite numerous investigations, the Taos hum continues to baffle experts. Some believe it may be a psychological phenomenon, while others argue for a real, external source. To this day, the Taos hum remains an unsolved mystery, leaving residents and researchers alike scratching their heads.